Hi everyone, it's Gail. I just wanted to come on and do a quick unboxing video. I got my next design team projects from Fern Studios. So, excuse me, the Glory of the Garden. Glory of the Garden is their next papers that, are coming out. So, let's look at the papers first, and then we'll look at everything that goes with. So here is the first one. This is some of the journaling cards, and then the back. And this one is designed by Michelle Singh, is her name. Isn't that beautiful? And then more plain on the back, which is fun because, you know, some of your designs call for that. Big fountain here with flowers up the side, and then kind of a green damask on the back. And there's, you know, if you buy the paper pad, there's two of each design. It's yellow. And pretty little garden scenes in blue that almost look like a toile. Is that what it's called? Ooh, that's pretty. The wreath. And then the back is this blue. And then gates. That's fun. And green background. Ooh, and the collage page. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I should be telling you the names of these. I'm sorry, in case you just want the paper, like one of the papers. This one's called Flower Clippings. This one is My Sanctuary. This one is Floral Splendor with the fountain. This one is Work of Heart. And this one is An Evening Hour. And this one is Into the Garden. And then this is Flower Market. Isn't that fun? I love the collage like that. That's so cool. This is Ode to the Skylark. Little bird cages on the back. This one is A Still Moment. Ooh, that's beautiful on the back. I really love the back side of that one. This one is A Flower Gathering. And then yellow on the back. So those are the papers. And I'll show you the pieces that go along with. So there's the ephemera pack that has all these pieces of ephemera, flowers. There's a fountain, gate, bird cages, you know, everything that goes along with the paper pad. There's charms, a little bird, a bird with a bird on a branch, and some flowers. And then these are the stamps. Friends are our flowers in the garden of life. That's beautiful. Look at this one with the gate through the garden gate. It's, wow. Welcome to my garden. Homegrown garden enchantment. And then a garden gate. Oh, that is so cool. That's going to be fun to play with. And then here are the chipboard. Oh, wait. Got some more stamps. Sorry. Look at the fountain. The fountain and some urns. And then like a little, like, intricate garden fence type of thing. That would be fun on a border. And then this one is floral with a birdhouse and birds. And then here's the chipboard. So the gates, garden memories, welcome, bouquet of dreams. Yeah, this one's called Garden Memories. This one's Bouquet of Dreams. This is Butterfly Garden. This one is Blooming Beauties. And then this one is Sit a Spell. Love the little bench. That's really cool. The stamps, I'll tell you the names of those two. The one with the birdhouse is called Bird's Eye View. One with the fountain, Glorious Fountain. This big gate, Ornate Iron Gate. This one, Garden Sentiments. This one, Through the Garden Gate. And this one, Friendship's Garden. So that's the new collection, Glory of the Garden by Michelle Singh from Blue Fern Studios. So just wanted to show y'all. I'll be doing a project with it before long. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a grateful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.